Hey, good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So I wanted to go over a couple of things here real quick. I wanted to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled HVAC in Austinburg, Ohio, and this area right here is what's called the Map Pack. Now, you guys are already in the Map Pack, which is already a great start. But the way that you can keep yourself into these top 3 and 4 businesses in the Map Pack is by first having a Google business profile. Second, filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, phone number, photos, making sure everything's filled out. And third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. Now, the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search. And the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 3 so that people can still find you. So I pulled up your website and I just wanted to go over a couple things here real quick. First and foremost, the website is great. It's laid out really well. But one of the things I wanted to kind of go over was what you want to do is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage primarily, and that's for a couple of reasons. Now, the first reason is that let's just say that your competitors are going to have about 1,000 words on their homepage. You're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website, and they try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you look like in Google's eyes. Now, within the content, you want to have an opportunity for keywords, and keywords are things that people are searching for. So, for example, how I Googled HVAC in Austinburg, Ohio, if you had something like that all over your website, it'd become really relevant for that search. And Google would be more willing to put your website higher to the top, which you're already at the top, so to stay at the top. Now, when you look at your site, it's really important to make sure there's enough content on there and the keywords throughout, and that'll keep your website ranked. So I pulled up one of the competitors in the area that's close to you guys, and I want to kind of show you what they're up against, what you're up against with that concern. And so I pulled up Comfort Air Conditioning in Geneva, and I just wanted to kind of go over a couple of things here real quick. And the first thing I want to talk about was the UR and the DR ratings, because these are super important where you fall in the Google search results. Now, the UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is, and the higher up they are, the more powerful the site is, and the better it's going to rank in the search results. Now, one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through a thing called backlink. Now, all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you and sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. So what we can do is we can click on the ones they have, go through those, get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. So lastly, and most importantly, I want to talk about the organic keywords in the content that I was talking about before. So just real quick, pulling up the few keywords that Comfort Air is being found for and looking at the volume column, we're going to see how many times a month that people are searching for specific keywords. All right. So just right off the bat, AC service, Geneva, Ohio, 30 people. Heating, Geneva, Ohio, 30 people. Heating repair, Geneva, Ohio, 30 people. Furnace replacement, Geneva, Ohio, 30 people. That kind of thing is going to, help us determine how many times, people are, what they're searching for in a month. And it's really important to get in front of these people. And if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for these terms, the more people that are going to find you. And then the more people are going to call. And in turn, the more business you're going to get. So I hope this information was helpful for you. And I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So take care and have a great rest of your day.